Welcome to this tutorial on Python for complete beginners. Today we're going to take our first steps in writing Python code. We'll be using an online compiler to make it easy to follow along. Let's start with a simple print statement. Type a comment here, #Python tutorial for beginners. Let's print a welcoming message, print welcome to Python. We'll introduce a variable. I'll define name equals student. Now we can use this variable in our print statement with an f string print f hello name. Let's learn data structures. Now let's explore some basic data structures. Start with a list. I'll add a comment hash working with a list. I'll create a list called tools containing a few strings tools equals. We can print this list to see its contents print learning tools tools. Moving on to a dictionary which stores data in key value pairs. Comment hash working with a dictionary. Create an info dictionary info equals difficulty easy category programming. For this dictionary print lesson info. These are essential for organizing our code. Define a simple function to check if a tool is in our list. Def check tool name inside the function. We'll use an if else statement if tool name in tools, then printf great! Tool name is in our stack. And for the else case else followed by printf notice tool name is not mentioned. Test our function. I'll add a comment hash. Let's simulate a check. Check tool Python and check tool KSL. Finally, we'll use a loop to iterate through our tools list. The message print \n finalizing the lesson. Then if a loop for t in tools followed by print f mastering t. Say our code is ready. Let's click the run button to see the output. It's like we have an indentation error, unexpected indent on line 14 where the else statement is. This is a common error in Python because indentation is crucial for defining code blocks. Python expects the else to be at the same indentation level as its corresponding if, so expects the print statements inside the if and else blocks to be consistently indented. Let's fix that. I'm going to correct the indentation for the if, else, and their respective print statements. If and else should be at the same level as the def statement, and the print statements should be uniformly indented, typically by 4 spaces, relative to their if or else block. With the indentation corrected, let's run the code again. The code executes successfully. See the welcome messages, the list of learning tools, the lesson info, and the results of our check tool function indicating Python is in the stack and Excel is not. Finally, the loop prints each tool we're mastering. Quickly see how you can run Python interactively. Open the official Python website, python.org. Find an online interactive shell. I'll share some commands directly in this interpreter. Welcome to the Python tutorial! You see the output immediately. Name equals student, no output, just stores the variable. F let's learn Python name, prints the personalized message. So we can define our tools list again, tools equals. Print it, print tools tool. So let's define our info dictionary info equals level beginner topic basics. Print that, print info. If we try to define our check tool function here, def check tool t, if t in tools print ft is ready, else in here, if I accidentally indent else too much like we saw before, interpreter immediately tells us indentation error, unexpected indent. Demonstrates that even in the interactive shell, Python's strict indentation rules apply. Function definition failed. If I try to call check tool Python, it will give a name error because check tool was never properly defined. However, a simple loop for t in tools followed by print f mastering t will still work, as it doesn't rely on the broken function definition. It iterates and prints mastering Python, mastering ide, and mastering terminal. Been a quick look at Python basics including variables, data structures, functions, loops, and a common indentation error. That's insane, and you'll master Python in no time!